there we go. Now, we're on a stretch of road here just outside Navan, County Meath. That stretch of road, the speed limit is 100 kilometres, which equates to 60 miles per hour. And obviously this chap must have been in a bit of a rush. Now, it is kind of a nice little stretch of road, and, you know, you could be forgiven for being a little bit heavy on the accelerator. But there is a roundabout up ahead, and like we said, he must have been in a bit of a rush, but unfortunately he didn't get very far, because I'm guessing his brake pedal is not working too well, because as you can see now, just as we come up to the roundabout, just as we come around the roundabout at the yield sign there, you'll see some flashing lights over on the other side of the road, and there he is. He didn't get very far, so obviously, you know, doing the right thing, we decided we'll spin around and just see if everything is okay, because obviously if everyone was out the windscreen or on the road, we would stop and offer some assistance. So we decided we'd go round again and just make sure that everyone was okay. It didn't pick up on the dash cam, but it looked like there was someone getting out of the car on our first pass. Now, on the second pass, again, the dash cam doesn't really pick it up too well, but the lads are out of the car and the front wheels are bent. They're buckled. So whatever happened there. So we just decided, obviously we have to go round again, because that's the direction of travel. So at this stage, we're coming round again, and all three lads are out of the vehicle, and they all seem okay. So we decided we would continue on our way home. So there we go. More stupid drivers caught on dashcam.